We'll be using Anaconda software for all our programming purposes. And it's very easy to install. In your browser, just type anaconda.com in this URL space and press enter. You'll be directed to the Anaconda website, and in the top right corner you can see this downloads button. If it's Windows, you can click on this and there'll be a download button. You can download the latest version, that is 3.6 version of the Python. If it's a Mac OS, you just click on this, the same will appear there. And if it's a Linux, you can download this. Once you click the download button, the file will get downloaded, and you click on that, you can follow the on-screen instructions. If you have any difficulties in downloading the Anaconda software, you can post questions in the discussion forum.